Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with pairing your Apple Watch with your iPhone, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So, first thing is update your software. Ensure that both your iPhone and Apple Watch are running the latest version of their respective operating systems. You can check for updates in the Settings app on your iPhone and Watch app on your iPhone. Now, the second way is to make sure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your both iPhone and Apple Watch. If it is enabled for the long hour, then you can simply tap on the airplane mode to fix some software glitches or network glitches. And it does not fix anything, then simply go to the Settings app, and inside the Settings app, tap on the General. Then scroll down till you see transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings and simply reset all the network settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. The third way is you can simply force restart your Apple Watch. Press and hold both the side button and digital crown simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Release the buttons when you see the Apple logo. Then force restart your iPhone as well. Press and hold both the volume down button and speak wake power button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Release the buttons when you see the Apple logo. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with pairing your Apple Watch with your iPhone. So, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.